Sending money from Ireland to the Philippines can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the necessary information to complete your transaction efficiently. First, you need to determine the amount you want to send and the exchange rate you will get. The exchange rate can fluctuate, so it is essential to check the current rate before making your transfer. You can use online currency converters or check the rates with your bank or money transfer service provider. Next, you need to choose a method for sending money. You have several options, including online money transfer services, banks, and money transfer agencies. Online services like PayPal, TransferWise, and WorldRemit are popular choices because they offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees. Banks and money transfer agencies like Western Union and MoneyGram are also available, but they may charge higher fees. Once you have chosen your method, you will need to provide the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information if you are sending money directly to their bank account. If you are using a money transfer service, you will need to create an account and verify your identity. After providing the recipient's details, you will need to pay for the transfer. You can use a debit or credit card, or you can pay by bank transfer. The payment method you choose may affect the speed of the transfer and the fees you pay. The transfer time can vary depending on the method you choose and the payment method you use. Online services can take a few minutes to a few hours, while bank transfers can take several days. It is essential to check the estimated transfer time with your service provider to ensure that the recipient receives the money when they need it. Finally, you should track your transfer to ensure that it is delivered successfully. Most service providers will provide you with a tracking number or updates on the status of your transfer. If there are any issues with the transfer, you should contact the service provider's customer support team for assistance. In conclusion, sending money from Ireland to the Philippines requires some planning and research to ensure that you get the best exchange rate and the lowest fees. By following these steps and choosing the right method for your needs, you can send money efficiently and securely. Remember to always verify the recipient's details and track your transfer to ensure that it is delivered successfully.